A deadly flash flood tears through villages in Nepal. Video showing floodwaters crashing through villages, leaving destruction in their wake.
We don't have a clear data on how much losses we have got, but the reality is that there is a big devastation.
A helicopter pilot who saw the flood estimated the waves reached 16 to 20 feet high.
Nepal already deployed all the maximum number of the doctors. They activated all the health center nearby.
Search and rescue operations were underway Wednesday morning. Nepal's tourism board said hundreds, including foreign nationals, were missing. Rescuers are still trying to assess the full scale of the damage. One Nepal Red Cross official described widespread destruction along the riverbanks.
This is really devastating. There are many bridges has been swept away.
Areas across the border in Tibet were also hit, where Chinese leader Xi Jinping ordered all-out search efforts, and state media warned of major casualties. The exact cause of the flooding is still unclear, but early reports suggest an avalanche of ice and rock blocked a nearby river before sending a sudden surge of water downstream. An earthquake was also reported in the area around the same time.
Obviously, this kind of disaster, we certainly need the support from our neighbor and from the international community.
For now, families wait for answers as rescuers push into damaged and hard-to-reach areas.
They are back. Where and why is anyone's guess, but the dogs are here too. According to British media, the Sussex family landed at Birmingham Airport on Wednesday, having flown in from California on a private jet. Now, none of that is confirmed by the Sussex team. However, a spokesperson has confirmed to CNN that their dogs have joined them too. The chickens, though, they are being left behind. Now, no foul play. As we understand it, they will be looked after back in Montecito. Flying into Birmingham, not London, is fueling further speculation about where the Sussexes will be living. There have been suggestions it could be the Cotswolds, an affluent rural area home to celebrities like Kate Moss and the Beckhams. The children are due to start new schools in England, and schools actually start early September, so they may not have much time to settle into British life. Prince Harry and his family do not have an automatic right to taxpayer-funded security. That was downgraded when they stepped down as working members of the royal family. And as far as we know, the situation hasn't changed on that. It's an issue Prince Harry has previously said prevented his family from even visiting the UK. The palace has made clear Prince Harry and Meghan will not be working members of the royal family. However, we will likely see plenty of them at charity engagements in the weeks ahead and on social media as Meghan continues to work on her lifestyle brand as ever. And who knows, there are also talks she could return to acting, so perhaps one day we'll see her back on the big screen. Anna Stewart, CNN, London.